Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to fix your Facebook Lite upgrade problem on your Facebook Lite app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to fix the Facebook Lite upgrade problem, let's open up our Facebook Lite app first. And you can see it's still on the upgrade mode. All you need to do is reinstall your Facebook Lite app. Let's do that. Let's uninstall and tap on OK and reinstall it from the Play Store. And you can see I have already opened the Facebook Lite. So let's go again. Facebook Lite over here and tap on install. And let's open it. And there guys, we have successfully solved the Facebook Lite upgrade problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.